Hi friends, this is Subrat here. So this is the seventh video on my Python series, and in this tutorial I'm going to cover about Python print statement. So in any programming language, print statement is more frequently used statement inside a program. So we need to understand clearly what is the print statement and how to use the print statement. So let us understand the full signature of the print statement. So I have prepared some slides regarding that. So let us see here. So this is the print statement entire signature. So it has lot of arguments taking. At first it is taking objects. Second argument is SCP, which for separation. Third argument is end argument, file argument, and flush argument. It has 5 arguments inside it, and we'll go through one by one with lot of examples to understand it clearly. So let us see with some examples over here. So in general, if I want to print something inside a console, so I can use print hello world. Suppose I want to print this. I have missed here quotation mark. Suppose I want to print this inside the console, then I can use simple print statement without any arguments. So here we have seen here objects star with objects. Star means indicates that there are many more than one objects. We can pass more than one object to the print statement. Here hello world is considered as one object. If I want to pass one more object called Subrat, then I can do that. So here Subrat is one more object. So again I can pass one more object to it. So this is my one more object. So here the quotation I am missing. So here I am only passing string object. Let's pass some integer objects to it. So it will also print different types of data types inside the print statement. So these are the many more objects I am passing over here. So as of now we have clear what is objects as an argument, and next argument is separation. SCP equal to, we need to pass here, and if I am passing SCP equal to some dollar sign, if I am passing, so how it will be. So what SCP is saying, it will separate all those objects with this dollar sign. So in the output you will see that hello world is one object, after that the dollar symbol has came, and after that the second object Subrat and dollar sign has came, third object this one Bangalore and dollar sign has came. So it will separate all those objects with this dollar sign, and one more argument it is taking, which is end argument. So let's see end argument, what it's telling, at the end of the object what you want to print. Suppose at the end of the if statement I want to print dot. So in that way also I can do that. So dot will be printed at the end of the if statement. Suppose I want to print at the rate at the end of the if statement. So this way also we can use end argument. So one more argument it is taking, which is called file argument and flush argument. So as of now we have seen what is the use of object, what is the use of separation, what is the use of end argument. So we are clear up to now here. So and these two arguments are used, file and flush argument, when we are doing file operation, file read and file write operation. So let me show you what is the use of these two arguments with some examples. So let me create one file in my desktop. So this is the file object. I need to open it at first. I have saved my desktop location over here. So let me give this location to create one file with, I want to create it with write mode. So I'll explain all about the file handling concepts in details in the future tutorials. So let's see this one for example purpose. I have opened my file, and I want to write something inside the file. To write something inside the file, we have specific write function inside the file handling. But if you want to, you can also do that by using the print statement also. So let's do that. Print of, if I want to write something, hello world inside my file. So I need to mention, I can use this file argument, and I can also mention the file object, which is obj. So in this way you can write inside the file. Let's see whether my hello world has been written or not. I can read the file again. obj.read, not readable. Okay, here I have opened it in write mode. I have to open it in read mode to read the file. So again I have to do that. So W is for write mode and R is for read mode. So if you open it in read mode, the hello world will be printed. So here we have seen what is the use of file argument inside the print statement. So we have also plus argument which is available inside the print statement. So let us understand what is the use of plus argument. So whenever you do file operation, whenever you write into the file, at first what it will do, the operating system will create a buffer location, and there only it will write. It won't write initially to the hard disk. It won't write initially to the file itself. It will create a buffer and it will write inside it. Okay. And suppose when you are creating a file and it has wrote inside the buffer, at that time only the system failure has occurred, or the power has got shut down, your system got shut down, then your file will not be saved what you have written. So for that purpose we have plus argument. If you want to plus whatever the uh, written text present inside the buffer into the hard disk forcibly, then you can use the plus argument. Flush plus equal to true. We can put plus equal to true, then it will, what it will do, the compiler will force the buffer to write inside your hard disk. So in this way also you can use the plus argument. So friends, this is all about the print statement. In the upcoming tutorials I'll be explaining in details more about the Python concepts. Thank you.